Hello, I'm Dr. Trent McCord here at Mint Dental Care in Centerton, Arkansas.
Thank you for having us today, Dr. McCord. Tell us about what led you to open your dental practice here in Centerton.
Well, I grew up in Siloam Springs, so I'm from Northwest Arkansas. This is home to me, and really wanted to come back and live in this area. When I got into dental school, my dream all along was to have my own dental practice where I could just make all my own decisions, take care of my patients, get involved in the community, and have my own stamp on an office. And since graduation, I've kind of been pursuing that, but just looking to acquire or join other practices, and nothing quite worked out. And so got the crazy idea maybe I should just open my own office. And so here I am. We decided, my wife and I, once we decided I'd open an office, started looking at where are we going to open a dental office, and we wanted to go where there was a need, where patients needed a dentist nearby, didn't have to drive to another town or somewhere else to go see the dentist. And through some market research with the Walton Small Business Center, we found Centerton has a real fast growing area, a whole bunch of people, and not a lot of dentists. And so once we started looking at this area, we came over, had lunch with the mayor, my wife and I started looking at Centerton and Bentonville, and just really, really liked the area, and decided we could have a small town dental office here, and be able to serve a lot of patients in need.
And what kind of services are you offering the community in all of Benton County with your office?
Whole family. Really, pretty much any dentistry you might need, we can do it. I really like kids. Like working with kids and adults. Pretty much anybody. If you want a denture, I love doing dentures, or a crown, or a filling, or you just want to come get your teeth cleaned and chat, I'm pretty good at that too. Or if you just have a toothache and you just need someone to take it out, you name it. We're a small town, nothing fancy, but just really like taking care of patients, having a good time, and whatever they need, we'll help them out.
Trent, what would you say was the biggest challenge to you opening your own small business?
For me, it was the unknown. There's a lot of build out and decisions to make, and none of that's easy. But just not knowing if patients are going to show up, if the office is going to be done on time, just having no idea what it'll be like. That was for me, just not knowing all along. Man, is it going to work? Am I gonna we're gonna make it? That was the biggest challenge for me, was I guess mostly in my head of what it's going to be like.
And Dr. McCord, have patients been coming?
Yeah, it's been going really well. We've been really busy. We came to Centerton. Most of our patients live here in Centerton by Bentonville, and most people I'm so glad to see you guys here. We live right behind the office. We live right next door, and we don't have to drive into Bentonville, and the hours are convenient. And so we've been busy. I think we went to a place that really needed another dentist, and it's worked out well.
And earlier you mentioned the market research that you obtained from Larry Bryan at the Walton College Arkansas Small Business and Technology Development Center. Could you tell us a couple of the other services that the center provided to you in your entrepreneurial journey?
Yeah, well, aside from just general advice and encouragement of it's going to be okay, you're doing the right thing, people have done this before, which was very valuable for me and some of my anxieties early on. Larry Bryan has a background in banking, and so he was able to help me with financing and kind of what to look for, what you're going to go for, and look at different proposals and everything. So that was a really good resource, because I'm a dentist. I don't know anything about financing. And then marketing, my original name we had picked out for the office, I think, was Apple Blossom Dental Care, and Martha Londigan was like, there's a nursing home just down the way named Apple Blossom. Maybe we should look at other things. And so she kind of, through talking with her, decided we want something a little more fresh and new. And so we ended up with Mint, which we really like a lot more than Apple Blossom. And then even from there, just marketing ideas, how to use Facebook, how to get online, and should you be online? And the answer is yes. Because again, I'm just a dentist. I don't know anything about all that. And so it's been great to have some resources to help me out and give me ideas and keep me from doing dumb things.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. McCord, for having us. We've been here today in Centerton, Arkansas with Mint Dental Care, and we appreciate it, and congratulations on your opening.
Thanks.